Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanvi Agarwal, and in today's video I'm gonna review all the makeup products which I bought from Zudio. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright, so let's just start with the very first product from Zudio, which is this intense Kajal, and it is enriched with vitamin E and is smudge proof, and it is in blue color, and I got it for rupees 79 only. So let's see if it is what it really says. So let me just open this first. Okay, so this is the first product, this Kajal. Let me show you from inside. So it looks something like this. It is like blue in color. Let me just try this and come back to you. Alright, so I'm back after applying the kajal. So as you can see, it looks pretty okay, but if I have to recommend this to you, I will say don't buy it, because as it says it is smudge proof, but it is not. I will insert a video somewhere here. You can see that it's actually smudging, so I will not recommend you this, but it's a no from my side. I won't buy this again. Alright, so let's just move on to the other product, which is this eyeliner. It says that it's enriched with argan oil and smudge proof again and waterproof. So let's see that if it is also really what it says, and it is in Z black, and I got this for like rupees 99. So I mean, not bad. So let me just try this on and get back to you. Okay, so I'm back after applying the eyeliner. As you can see, it looks really pretty. So let me just show you the tip of this eyeliner first, then I will tell you my reviews on it. Its tip looks something like this. It's really thin and small, which I really like. I mean, I don't like those big tips, and yeah, I mean, it was gliding so smoothly also, and it's looking also very pretty. So it's a yes from my side. Alright, so let's just move on to the other product, which is this mascara. This is the high definition mascara, and this is also in black color, and I got this for like rupees 199, and it says that it's cruelty free and paraben free. So yeah, let me just apply it on my eyelashes and I'll be back. Okay, so I have applied the mascara, and I would say that I am impressed because it did a really good job, and as it says that it's high definition, it actually looks like that. And let me just show you its wand. It looks something like this, and it's actually really good. It's a yes from my side. Alright, so let's just move on to the other product, which is this cheek tint, and it's in berry flame, and I got this for like rupees 199, and yeah, it's a blush. So it also says that it's cruelty free and paraben free. So yeah, let me just try this also. Okay, so I was thinking that I also got this beauty blender like for rupees 79. So let me just apply this tint and blend it with this beauty blender. It looks something like this, like a normal beauty blender. So yeah, let me just try this. Okay, so it looks something like this. Okay, now let me just blend it with this beauty blender. Alright, so as you can see, the tint looks so pretty and the color is also really cute. So it's also a yes from my side. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and also share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.